tutti, welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and I'm sure you've all heard the term cucina povera, which means poor people's food or peasant food, and it's those good old-fashioned Italian dishes which are hearty and just good comfort food that, people really did used to eat in the old days and they still are appreciated today. Being as I am poor and it is part of my heritage, I'm going to make what we call in Italy pan cotto. And every region of Italy has different versions of this. In Sicily, where I'm from, they used to call it I feduzzi, and you would make a broth used with greens, maybe a bit of onion and garlic, and you would soak your stale bread. Some places, like in Sicily, they'd use the whole slice. Other places cut the bread into pieces or break it into pieces. I'm going to make kind of croutons with my bread, so it's infused with a little bit of flavor. And I'm going to make a broth using cima di rapa, broccoli rabe. But I'm going to add some carrots, celery and onion because I'm not quite as poor as all that. And a little bit of leek and a few tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to add a bit of parmesan at the end. So I'm going to turn something really simple and poor into something rich and delicious. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link and follow me for more. It's all good food and it's all good fun. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need stale bread, some leafy greens. I'm using cima di rapa. You could use broccoli, cabbage, spinach, whichever greens you like. A few cherry tomatoes, onion, leek, carrot, celery, garlic, bay leaf, rosemary, some chili flakes, grated Parmesan cheese, and some good extra virgin olive oil.